Hello, welcome to Is Does Stuff. The Alola collection. Yeah, I don't have anything newer. Sword and Shield is coming up. Actually, there's a pre-release event today, but I did go. Not feeling too great. This is my physical mood elevator. Yeah. I don't know. Somehow just my mood has been a little bit down. But maybe this will cheer me up. At least it already has a little bit. Opening up boxes like this is fun. Alright, there's a lot of reflection. Let's see. 3 promotional cards. Alright, come on now. And 3 booster packs. What's holding this? Alright, there we go. Our packs. Oh, there's the code. Yeah, save that for a giveaway or something else later on the line. I'll pop these. I think you've seen them before. Maybe someone has opened this product, but I think this is one of the cutest things in this set. So cute. Alright, and there's the Lunala GX. Okay, let me see. How can I slide these out gently? Oh, it's the... yeah. Oh man. Huge bend. That wasn't because of my action. Another huge bend. Not because of me. And Poplio is just curved. Okay, so 3 packs. Primal Clash, Evolutions, and what's this? Phantom Forces. I think I've never actually opened Phantom Forces. Because, yeah, it was just last year that I got back into Pokemon TCG, and I don't know how long I will keep this train going on. At least we have a white code card from the Primal Clash. Let's see, I wonder if it's 3 to the front with Primal. Let's see. Silent Lab, Groudon, Spirit Link. So do we get a Groudon, Nidorina, Sweal, Torchic, Chick, Marill, Surskit, cool. Zigzagoon, okay. Nidorina as reverse holo, and Little Peak it's Excadrill. What? So non-holographic? Yeah, non-holographic. Okay. So with is it with I wonder. So yeah, my basic way of showing the code: last 3 digits, 5E3. So last 3 digits, 5E3. As in electrode in the middle. Interesting. I mean, that's just a common. No, wait, uncommon. Reverse foil. Evolutions, I know. But yeah, getting back to what I started, it was the Unbroken Bonds, and first pack I did get a GX. So overall, my luck has been quite decent with these cards, except for few openings for now. Hasn't been so great, but that's the name of the game. Nidorino again. Nidorino and Nidorina, but yeah. Revive. Ooh, oh, yay! Misty's Determination, nice! I actually filled a page in my binder with these. Diglett and Caterpie, Voltorb, Machop. I didn't see the color of the code card. Kakuna and Clefairy holographic. Okay, I can dig it. Nice. I haven't got too many holographic cards from the evolutions. Okay, and it was a white LMG. Last 3 digits. L. Come on now, let's try to focus. LMG. Lucario, Magerna, and Gyarados. Alright. Last pack, something I haven't opened up before. I really wonder what's this about. Let's see. Phantom Forces. Maybe I should save this. No, let's just go with it. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't a clean opening. Apologies. Ooh. Okay, I'll show the code XBW. So, XBW. Xerneas, Bulbasaur, and Vulpix. Alright. I didn't see the color. Just put it there. Is it right at the front? Let's go like that. And Battle Compressor. Energy Special. Okay, Mystery. Lampent. Cool art. Very Disney. Joltik. Or Joltik. Momola. Momola. Okay. Tongue-Twister. Skarmory. The Rock'n'Rolla. Frillish. Goodra. Pretty cool. Reverse Holo and Diggersby, non-holographic, so. But at least that Clefairy and Misty's Determination. Let's see. Also a white code card. So, was it before in the XY series? It wasn't necessary a determination of what you might get, or like, do you get a holographic? I mean, it's rare. Goodra, Sliggoo, okay. So, yeah, that's it for, physical mood elevation. I do feel a little bit better, especially because of that card. Yeah, I'll get to arranging, putting this, this goes to a little box. Oh, there's 2 pins. It's a big pin. And, yeah, too bad about this promotional card. It's a huge ding, but I mean it's fine because I mainly collect for myself, and might do some trades someday. But for now, it's mainly just getting in touch with the Pokemon side of life that I did. Was a big hobby of mine longer time ago, and just touching base with that again. But the name is Does Stuff, IIS. That's initials or acronym or whatever. So yeah, stuff can be much more than just Pokemon card openings, but yeah, I'll have to think about what it could be. Feel free to give suggestions or yeah, comment, like, unlike, whatever. I wish you a fantastic day, fantastic week. It's 27th of January 2020. Yeah, as always, I remind you, be excellent to each other. Catch you later.